Want to know how to use if-else statements in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily use and write in if-else statements. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, for me, I have used this online compiler from Programmiz right here, but you can use any other compilers or applications that is IntelliJ, Visual Code, and so on. So the process is same. So first things first, you can just simply type in this code right here, and under this code there is an if-else statement that is from line 5 to line 8, excluding the curly braces. So first things first, we define a data type that is int and we name it, that is age. So we have created an age that is 18. So now we enter two if-else statements. So right here we see if with parenthesis, if age is greater or equals to 18, then you can print you can vote. So else means otherwise. So if the statement is false, you can just simply print it out, you're too young to vote. So let's just run it once. Now once you run the vote, as our age is 18, you can just simply see that you can vote right here. So you can just simply tweak out the age, like if you keep it 17 and run again, you will not be able to vote. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.